Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best license plate light socket and wiring that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the license plate light socket wiring harness. Upgrade your license plate lights with the DockSmall license plate light socket wiring harness. This excellent design features an anti-slide slot for a secure fit. It is compatible with various models, including F250, F350, F450, F550 Super Duty, Bronco, Excursion, Expedition, Explorer, Ranger, and pickup trucks. The high-performance socket ensures stable current transmission and maximizes contact metal plate. The waterproof function, along with the double protection from the silicone seal rubber ring, enhances durability. Installation is a breeze with the plug-and-play design, eliminating the need for rewiring or modifications. Plus, you'll enjoy peace of mind with the 12 months warranty offered by DockSmall. Moving on at number 4, we have the RUXIFEY LED license plate light. The RUXIFEY LED license plate light is a high-quality lighting solution designed for various Ford vehicles. With compatibility ranging from Ford F-Series Super Duty trucks to Explorers and Expeditions, this product offers a versatile lighting upgrade. The built-in high-power LED chips provide a super bright 6500K white light output, making it brighter than stock bulbs for enhanced license plate illumination. The lights are fully sealed and watertight, ensuring they can withstand extreme weather conditions without any issues. The plug-and-play installation is made easy with the included wiring harness, which seamlessly integrates the wiring and socket. Overall, the RUXIFEY LED license plate light is a reliable and durable choice for upgrading your vehicle's license plate lighting. At number 3, we have the iJDMTOY wiring harness sockets for LED bulbs. The iJDMTOY 168-194-2825W5W wiring harness sockets is a reliable and efficient product designed for use with LED bulbs, parking lights, and license plate lights. With its heavy-duty nylon construction, this wiring harness ensures durability and long-lasting performance. The pre-wired socket allows for easy plug-and-play installation, making it convenient for users. It is compatible with various wedge bulbs, and the heat-resistant design ensures that it never melts. The product comes with 2 pieces of wiring harness sockets for added convenience. However, it is crucial to check the provided pictures to ensure that the adapter matches the stock for proper fitting. Overall, the iJDMTOY wiring harness sockets offer a practical solution for your lighting needs. At number 2, we have the Suzuri license plate lights socket wiring harness pigtail. The Suzuri license plate lights socket wiring harness pigtail is a high-quality replacement for license plate lights and pickup truck tag lights. It is compatible with a wide range of vehicles including F250, F350, F450, F550 Super Duty, Ranger, Bronco, Excursion, Expedition, Explorer, Lincoln Mark LT, and Mercury Mountaineer. This wiring harness pigtail is waterproof and durable, with a well-sealed edge to prevent water leaks. It is easy to install with plug-and-play functionality, requiring no tools or rewiring. The package includes a pair of license plate light socket wiring harnesses pigtail. Overall, it is a reliable and convenient solution for replacing factory parts. And finally at number 1, we have the HERCOO license plate light wiring harness. The HERCOO license plate light wiring harness pigtail rear lamp socket is a pack of 2 that offers compatibility with various models of trucks and SUVs, including Ford F250, F350, F450, F550 Super Duty, Bronco, Excursion, Expedition, Explorer, Ranger, and more. It is designed to be used as a replacement for factory license plate lights and pickup truck tag lights with a rear step bumper. The wiring harness is easy to install with its plug-and-play feature, requiring no rewiring or modification. It comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty for added peace of mind. Overall, this product provides a reliable and convenient solution for maintaining proper license plate lighting on your vehicle.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.